Most people don't realize this, but after 60 small, simple movements, done the right way, can make a bigger difference than complicated workouts. A slow sit to stand can activate more muscle fibers than a rushed squat. A gentle heel raise can boost circulation better than many cardio machines. And a single step to the side can improve your balance more than expensive equipment ever could. Today, I'm going to show you 5 gentle science-proven exercises that may look familiar, but you'll see them through a new lens. The lens of longevity, confidence, and independence. These are not just exercises, they are signals. Messages you send your body every time you move with intention. Stay strong, stay steady, stay alive and active. Something beautiful happens when you begin working with your body instead of fighting against it. After 60, your muscles may not recover as quickly, but they respond incredibly well to slow, controlled movement. Your joints may feel stiff in the morning, but they loosen when you move them gently. Your balance may feel shaky, but your brain adapts even at 70, 80, or 90, because the brain never stops learning neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to rewire itself, remains active for your entire life. Every movement you practice becomes a signal your brain can strengthen. So don't worry if you've been inactive for years. You're not starting late, you're starting right on time. And please stay with me until the end, because the final exercise requires almost no effort, yet it can completely transform the way you walk, stand, and balance. Before we begin, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Let's begin with a movement that looks simple but carries incredible power: the sit to stand. You might be surprised to know that this everyday action is one of the strongest predictors of independence after age 60, even more important than how far you can walk or how fast you can run. Sit to stand is a full body movement that works your thighs, your glutes, your core, your balance system, and even your brain muscle connection. Research shows that practicing this daily can increase lower body strength by more than 30% and reduce the risk of falls by nearly 40%. Every time you rise from a chair with control, you're telling your body, I am strong, I am capable, I am still here. To do it, sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms or extend them forward. Inhale gently, press through your heels, and stand up smoothly. Pause at the top, then lower yourself slowly with full control. Aim for 5 to 8 slow reps. If it feels too hard, place a pillow on the chair for extra height and lower it gradually as you get stronger. And here's something most people don't realize. It's completely normal if your knees crack or pop as you do this. That's usually just air bubbles in the joint fluid, not damage. As long as you feel no sharp pain, keep going. Progress comes from consistency, not perfection. Next, we move to the wall push-up, one of the safest and most effective ways to rebuild upper body strength without hurting your joints. This movement supports everything you do in daily life: lifting groceries, pushing doors, reaching into cabinets, and even catching yourself if you stumble. Seniors who practiced wall push-ups 3 times a week improved shoulder mobility by more than 20% and reduced pain in their wrists and elbows. When you sync the movement with slow breathing, something even more powerful happens. Your nervous system calms. Stress lowers. Your heart rate becomes steadier. You strengthen your body and your inner peace at the same time. Stand an arm's length from a wall. Place your hands slightly wider than your shoulders and inhale as you lean in. Pause just before your face reaches the wall, then exhale as you push back. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Do 8 to 10 controlled reps. Count 1, 2, 3 in and 1, 2, 3 out to match breath and movement. Now let's reset your balance and coordination with a heel-to-toe walk, one of the most powerful brain-body exercises for seniors. Balance is not just about your feet, it's your eyesight, your inner ear, your nervous system, and your brain all working together. After 60, small imbalances appear before we even notice. A little hesitation on stairs, a slight wobble on turns, a delayed reaction when stepping off a curb. The heel-to-toe walk forces your brain to work with precision, improving both coordination and reaction time. Studies show that practicing this for just 5 minutes a day can reduce fall risk by up to 50%. And remember, there is no shame in taking your time. There is no shame in holding on to a wall. Every slow, steady step is training your brain to respond faster and your body to stay stable. That is strength. That is progress. And that is something to be proud of. Our next movement brings strength and breathing together. Seated knee lifts with deep belly breathing. This gentle exercise strengthens the deep core muscles that protect your spine, improve posture, help with balance, and even support bladder control. Many seniors breathe shallowly without realizing it, which lowers energy and increases stress. When you combine movement with diaphragmatic breathing, you increase oxygen flow to the brain, improve endurance, and calm the nervous system. Deep breathing also massages your internal organs, supporting digestion and lowering inflammation. Sit tall in a firm chair with your feet flat. Rest your hands on your thighs. Inhale slowly through your nose, letting your belly rise. As you exhale through your mouth, lift your right knee a few inches. Lower it gently as the breath ends. Alternate sides for 10 to 12 slow reps. Focus on breath and control, not speed. With each breath, imagine sending calm energy through your body. This movement may seem small, but inside your body, big changes are happening. Your lungs open, your core engages, your heart rate steadies, and your mind relaxes. Finally, let's strengthen the outer hips, the guardians of your balance, with standing side steps. Forward movement is easy. Side-to-side stability is what protects you from dangerous falls. Standing side steps strengthen the hip abductors, the glute medius, and the stabilizers of your knees and ankles. These muscles prevent sideways collapse when you trip or shift suddenly. Research shows that improving lateral strength can reduce fall risk by more than 40%. Step by step, you strengthen the muscles that keep you steady in the grocery store, on uneven sidewalks, or when turning quickly. Stand near a wall, feet hip-width apart. Step to the right about 12 to 18 inches, then bring your left foot in. Take 6 to 8 steps, then switch directions. Move slowly and stay upright. Imagine drawing a straight horizontal line with your feet. This simple movement improves alignment, balance, and confidence with every repetition. Now, if you're restarting after a long break, or starting for the first time, remember this. Consistency is far more important than intensity. You don't need to sweat. You don't need to strain. You just need gentle repetition and safe movement. Modify anything that feels too hard. Take breaks when needed. Breathe through each motion. The goal is not perfection. The goal is persistence. Every small movement is a message. I choose strength today. What you just practiced is not just a workout. It's a statement of strength and resilience. Every time you stand with control, push away from a wall, walk heel to toe, lift your knee with breath, or step sideways, you are telling your body, I am still strong. I am still capable. I am choosing independence. You are building strength not just in your muscles, but in your spirit. And that matters more than you know. Before you go, tell me in the comments which movement surprised you the most, and which one you plan to practice daily. Your story matters, your progress matters, and together we are building a stronger community for healthy aging. One breath, one step, and one day at a time. I'll see you in the next lesson. Stay strong. You've already started. This is HealthBeams, and our mission is simple: to help you stay stronger, steadier, and healthier at every age. If you want more gentle workouts, balance routines, strength tips, and science-backed guidance made especially for seniors, make sure to like this video, subscribe to HealthBeams, and tap the bell so you never miss a new lesson.